Hey guys, we're out here in Dayton and we're over here at the Boneyard, just kind of looking at all the stuff we got going on here. So take you guys for a lap around the yard. So we got some deuces. There's a lot of old World War II military vehicles out here. A lot of aircraft motors, engines, wings everywhere. Just a lot of stuff out here. It's got some Jeeps. There's an old turbo Humvee. This big guy is an Oshkosh. This thing's massive. Get up in here. Very cool. With a sleeper. I want to drive this one. I want to drive this one bad. Ugh. Huge. A lot of the old diesel Blazers. I think this one's a Freightliner. Yeah. Another fuselage over there. Tons of trailers, tons of wings, tons of parts. You got some more Humvees over here. More K5 Blazers. So yeah, we're gonna start going through some of this stuff. I guess Rick's getting rid of some of it. A lot of this stuff's been out here for quite a while, but most of it runs and just been sitting for a while. But everything was drove here and parked. Got a Unimog. Another Unimog with a crane. I guess they just got rid of that big old giant. I don't even know what that is, but it looks like the aircraft from Tailspin I used to watch when I was a kid. Yeah, lots of stuff out here. We just got to figure out what we're gonna go and do and how we're gonna go about filming this. And like I said, we're starting our new channel, so this is all new for us, new for me. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks.